I feel like I need to preface this following clip with sort of the road layout and what's really going on here. So I'm traveling down the A3029, known as Hartcliffe Way, in the sort of south end of Bristol. And the way the road works is single lane that then splits into two. The left-hand lane is a dedicated straight on, and the continuation lane, or right-hand lane, if you'd like to call it that, is a dedicated right turn only. The traffic lights for this are set up in which that when it's red, obviously both lanes stop fine, but then a green arrow will come for the traffic heading straight on only. That'll stay for a while, and then the lights will turn to a full green for both lanes to go where they need to be straight on and turn right. However, whilst the green arrow for straight on traffic is active, traffic from Nova's Lane can only make a left-hand turn down on the opposite side of Hartcliffe Way. And then when it's green for Hartcliffe Way, so the straight on and turn right traffic are free to move, it is red down Nova's Lane. Now just watch this following clip and please tell me if I did anything wrong.
And welcome to your demise.
Do it! Green, you fucking idiot!
As you can see, I'm proceeding in the straight only lane to go down Hartcliffe Way to leave Bristol to go back to Cardiff up through the M4. But a vehicle from Nova's Lane, from what I can see, has run a red light, then beeped at me as if I'm incorrect. I would like to hear your thoughts on this. So yeah, if I did anything wrong, do let me know, and if not, then cool.